Hi, আমি আজকে এসেছি AD 34 Sector 1 Salt Lake City তে। The name of this place is Bon Appetit. This is a cafeteria. এখানে অনেক কিছু পাওয়া যায়, from pizzas to pastas to coffee to pancakes, everything. This is very famous. So let's go inside and see. Let me enlighten you. Come inside. কি তোমাদের এখানে স্পেশালিটি?
Anything to do with cheese, and anything to do with chocolate. It's basically a sincere attempt to sabotage all diet plans on the planet.
Okay, we can see a little bit of that. আর এখানে কি স্পেশালিটি আছে? Tell me something in chocolate.
Well, we do freshly grilled pancakes and we serve it with our homemade chocolate fudge sauce, which is delicious, I would say, and I would not be even slightly modest about it. I'm sure you'd love it. For that, we require 2 eggs that have been separated, 250 grams of cheese spread, 100 grams of refined flour, 100 ml of milk, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoonful of butter. For the chocolate sauce, we'll require 250 grams of dark chocolate, 30 grams of butter, and half a cup of cream. We add the butter and the chocolate together to a double boiler and we cook it till the chocolate melts. Now I'm making the batter for the pancake, for which we will take the cheese spread and the egg yolks, beat them together till light and fluffy. We will slowly add milk little by little and beat it into the cheese. For the next step, we'll take the 2 egg whites and beat them till they're light and fluffy. The egg whites need to be beaten till they are stiff and form peaks. Now we will mix in the refined flour and the egg whites into the batter. So this process has to be done gently because we do not want lumps in the flour that is going into the batter. The best tool for this is a fork. It folds in the flour really well. And last, we add the egg whites. The batter becomes light and fluffy by adding the egg whites at the end. Now, we need to add cream into the dark chocolate and the butter mixture. The cream needs to be whisked into the chocolate and butter mixture. And last, just before grilling the pancakes, we fold in the baking powder. We need to cook these pancakes till the bubbles appear on the surface and it's ready to be lifted. The pancake is ready. And a generous helping of fudgy chocolate. We have ready freshly grilled pancakes with chocolate fudge sauce. This can be served with vanilla ice cream or whipped cream as you please.
আমার সামনে এখন আছে pancake with chocolate fudge sauce and this looks delicious and I'm going to try. This is freshly baked. Heaven. This is too good. The best pancake I've ever had. Honestly, seriously. You have to come here, eat it and believe. Eshe khan, tapor you'll believe, I'm sure. For this, you have to come to AD 34, Sector 1, Salt Lake City. The name is Bon Appetit.